తమిళనాడు సంక్షోభంలో బీజేపీ పాత్ర లేదని స్పష్టం చేశారు కేంద్ర మంత్రి వెంకయ్య నాయుడు. సీఎం ఎవరు అన్నది తాము నిర్ణయించలేమని చెప్పిన వెంకయ్య వాళ్లలో వాళ్లే తేల్చుకోవాలని అన్నారు. కాంగ్రెస్ రాహుల్ గాంధీలు తప్పుడు ప్రచారం చేస్తున్నారని మండిపడ్డ వెంకయ్య ఎన్నో తప్పులు చేసిన కాంగ్రెస్ తమకు నీతులు చెప్పడం విడ్డూరంగా ఉందన్నారు.
Role to play in Tamil Nadu political situation. The BJP do not have a member in the Legislative Assembly. So where is the question of BJP doing anything? We are not part of the government formation there. We don't have a representation in Assembly. As on now, it is an internal affair of the AIDMK. We also feel sad about what is happening within that party. How to go about it, they have to decide. As far as the governor is concerned, the governor is duty bound by the constitution. He will go by the book. He will go by the precedents. He will go by the legal opinion. And there is no way that BJP is interfering in the internal affairs of that party. That stand is very clear. Then who is going to be there or who is going to be not there, and that is to be decided by the AIDMK people. As long as Madam Jayalalitha was there, we used to have good relations with her, and we would like to continue to have good relations with the AIDMK. Which is the final, who is going to be the final winner, that will be decided by those people. And what does the law says, what was the previous experiences, all